Hello aspirants, are you anxious about the upcoming Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2025? Or despite your hard work in the previous attempts, you have not cleared the preliminary examination? And this has created a phobia for prelims in you? Well, preliminary examination is completely different from the mains examination. It requires an altogether different approach to clear the preliminary examination. Your failure or anxiety related to the prelims could be purely because of lack of guidance and not because you lack the talent. So to help you in clearing the preliminary examination, EDENIAS is coming up with its Mission Prelims program, which starts from 6th of January 2025. It's a 9-week program that covers intensively the general studies, CSAT and current affairs sections purely from the pre-perspective. There will be special classes for places in news and budget and survey. You will also get well manufactured and curated study material for the preliminary examination. There will be also guidance sessions where expert mentors will guide you in how to clear the preliminary examination. So fasten your seat belts and join Mission Prelims. The batch starts from 6th of January 2025.